Good Thursday, everyone. I hope your week is going well and that you're getting ready to make some plans for the weekend. I'll have details on that weekend forecast here in just a moment. Look at our daily weather map for today. You see a couple of showers around our area. We see a little bit more concentration of those showers east of our area where that cold front is yet to press through. It's already passed through our area, but we have an upper level disturbance that'll be swinging through today, and that could kick off a shower too, maybe a rumble of thunder. The only problem spots across the country are around the Four Corners region once again, where they're dealing with some flash flooding, and then southern Arizona as well. And then another area of flash flood potential across northern Idaho, western Montana. Now you'll also notice Hurricane Fiona off the southeast coast out in the Atlantic. That storm will stay off the U.S. mainland, but it is a very, very powerful hurricane, Cat 4. We only go up to Cat 5, but you see Bermuda is a little speck of islands out in the Atlantic. It will brush by them and could bring in some very impactful weather. But you see up where on the daily weather map where that warm front is drawn out across northern Maine down toward Nova Scotia in that area. Just north of there is where Fiona is expected to make landfall in eastern Canada, right along Nova Scotia's shore, it looks like. That is looking like a very high impact event for those folks. In fact, some forecasters are even calling it a potential generational storm for those folks as it winds up and then wraps right into the coastline there. So you may be seeing a lot of headlines about that storm in the news. We do have another area of disturbed weather that we're watching in the Caribbean. I'll have more on that in the next couple of days or so, and there's more on that in the blog too. I'll write up some stuff about that system. You probably have been seeing some stuff in the news about how they're expecting that storm to get into the Gulf. It is too early to know for sure what that system will do, if anything, but it is certainly worth watching because we are in the peak of hurricane season, and I'll keep you posted on that. Again, I have some more information on that in the blog. Looking at our 5-day outlook, 20% chance for a shower, maybe a rumble of thunder today. Highs in the mid-70s, but look at that overnight low for tonight. Lows in the low 40s. That's the coolest overnight lows I've been able to forecast this season. Then for Friday, high only 70. Some of us may not get out of the 60s. And then for Saturday and Sunday, an unsettled weather pattern begins to develop as another frontal system kind of poises itself to move in. Just a 20% chance for a shower on Saturday. Nothing to cancel outdoor plans over. Just keep an eye on the radar. I don't think we'll have any lightning with those showers, but I'll keep you posted on that. Saturday night, we do have a chance for a thunderstorm. It's very isolated, very low risk. Then on Sunday, a 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms. So any outdoor plans on Sunday do need to be altered to at least have an indoor backup plan. Drop down to 20% Sunday night as that front presses on through. And then Monday, looking really nice. Highs only in the upper 60s and lows in the mid 40s. And I may be a little too liberal on those lows. I probably need to go about 40 degrees for Monday night, but we'll see how things change as we get closer to that time. Next week's looking really nice at this point. This is showing the 24-hour temperature change from Thursday morning from Wednesday morning. So you can see that morning lows this Thursday morning are much chillier across the Midwest than they were 24 hours ago. And all that cool air is filtering this way and will be here in time for both Friday morning and Saturday morning. So we'll be having some very chilly overnight lows over in the Smokies. They're expecting to get down into the frost territory. So a very chilly fall-like air mass moving in as we expect this time of the year. But again, I have more information on the tropics in the blog, and I have all kinds of other information as well. Just keep reading along in that blog, meteorologistsmart.com.